पहला, एवरी पार्लियामेंट्री नोटिस इज नाउ डिजिटल। पहले हमें लिख करके भेजना पड़ता था। Questions, 0-hour mentions, special mentions, amendments, and every other notices besides are today submitted electronically. घर से हम जहाँ से चाहें जब भी चाहें सबमिट कर सकते हैं। A members once had to be physically present to file a notice. हमें आना पड़ता था नोटिस देने के लिए। Much effort was spent and the opportunities were lost in that single requirement. Today, member may give notice from his state, from his journey at our. आप कहीं भी हैं वहां से आप नोटिस भेज सकते हैं। सी द चेंज of all the changes I shall speak of, this one has done the most to widen the participation of members and to strengthen the mandate they carry. ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आप नए लोगों को अब मिल रही है पिछले कुछ वर्षों से। सदस्य सेतु एंड द मेंबर्स पोर्टल, an online interface has been developed and implemented through which a member may reach parliamentary documents, submit e-notices, obtain committee papers and receive e-summons. It has become the lifeline between the member and this parliament. It is not merely an application upon your telephone, it's the Rajya Sabha in your pocket. Third, e-file and the digitization of our records. I have seen every paper file of the Secretariat become an electronic file. Not a copy of the paper, but the file itself. Alongside this, more than 40 lakhs documents have been digitized in mission mode. 40 lakhs documents. This institutional memory of this house is no longer merely stored, it can be found. आप जब चाहे उसको आप देख सकते हैं, access कर सकते हैं. One parliament, one portal. More than a dozen separate websites and addresses have been brought together into a single unified portal, Sansad In. For a member, this is the convenience of a single window, one door to every service, every document and every proceeding of this house. इससे आपको इतनी मदद मिल सकती है क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करने में, बहस में भाग लेने में, पूरा भाषाओं में। इट्स ए काइंड ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन कि हम मान लीजिए अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं और तमिल में आदमी तमिल में सुन रहा है, वो तमिल में बोलते हैं, हम अपनी हिंदी में सुन रहे हैं, मराठी में सुन रहे हैं। इट्स ए काइंड ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन जो कोई कल्पना नहीं कर सकता था। मैंने बताया था कि 40 वर्षों पहले 60s में जो किताब आई थी लैंग्वेज पर, वो कहती थी कि भारत का भविष्य अंधकार में। आज उस लैंग्वेज से क्या ताकत हमारी बढ़ेगी, हम कितने देश के एकता में बड़ा रोल होगा हमारा। जस्ट थिंक ऑफ दैट। Vani Setu, developed within this house, Vani Setu offers AI-assisted real-time speech-to-speech translation. For the first time, a member may listen to a speech delivered in any regional language, rendered into the languages of his own choosing. ये मैंने कहा, ये sort of revolution. The digital video repository, the entire video gallery of our proceedings has been digitized. A vast archive of the debate of this house. Our proceedings are no longer only recorded, they can be retrieved, studied and cited by members, by scholars and by citizens. ये इतनी बड़ी चीज़ है जिससे आप अपनी बहस को बेहतर करना चाहें तो जिस विषय पे बोल रहे हैं 50 वर्ष पहले उस पर क्या कहा गया था, आप सब कुछ पता कर सकते हैं। पहले हमें फिजिकली काम करना पड़ता था। पेपरलेस कमिटी मीटिंग्स, committee proceedings have been digitized with the agenda, the memoranda, the evidence and the minutes placed before the members on screen. Since much of the most substantive work of a member is done in committee, this is a change you will feel very early in your tenure. ये बहुत बड़ा काम हुआ है। मैं विस्तार से और बताता पर बहुत संक्षेप में आपको उल्लेख कर रहा हूँ। पेपरलेस प्रोसीडिंग ऑफ द हाउस, द बिजनेस ऑफ दिस हाउस इज नाउ कंडक्टेड डिजिटली विथ ए सिंगल डैशबोर्ड ब्रिंगिंग टुगेदर द प्रोसीडिंग्स, the documents, the bills and the questions. What once lay in the bundles of files upon the table now lies before us, integrated at a glance. जो चीज़ कभी फाइल्स में बंडल्स पड़ी हुई होती हैं वो आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर हैं। Contactless attendance. A member may now mark his attendance simply by scanning a code in lobby through Sansad Setu application. It's a small thing in itself, but it tells you the direction in which this institution has been traveling. इट्स नॉट ए स्मॉल थिंग इन माई व्यू, क्योंकि हम सब साइन किया करते थे तो हमें पता है उसका। और एक चीज़ और महत्वपूर्ण आपको बताऊं कि ये सारी चीज़ें जो डिजिटल रिवोल्यूशन यहाँ हुआ, एआई का जो बड़ा परिवर्तन हुआ, ये कैसे हुआ। ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, ये जानकर आपको फक्र होगा, देयर इज ए ग्रेट डील मोर देन आई हैव नॉट नेम्ड एंड आई हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड टिल नाउ. Automated workflows, and the careful and considered use of artificial intelligence. But I would ask you to note the one fact that binds all of it together. Not one of these systems was purchased from outside. Not one of these systems were purchased from outside. कहीं बाहर से खरीद कर ये चीजें डेवलप नहीं हुई हैं. Every one of them has been conceived, designed, built and is maintained by the officers of this secretariat. Within the house, by our own people, upon our own servers, this is Atmanirbhar Bharat in practice. ये फक्र की बात है कि सारी चीजें ये बाहर से नहीं बनी, ये हमने अपने यहाँ इंडिजीनियस बनाई. Made in India, self-hosted, held in Indian hands and answerable to this parliament and no one else. और ये कोई बाहर का कर भी नहीं सकता. For a legislature whose records are among the most sensitive the republic possesses, self-reliance is not a slogan, it's a safeguard and it's a question of sovereignty. It gives me satisfaction to say that in this endeavor the Rajya Sabha has led from the front and that it has done so with its own hands. That is the inheritance which passes you today. But I would leave you with this thought, all of it, every system and every screen archives only one thing. It clears the road between your intention of this house. आप अच्छा करना चाहते हैं उसके लिए आप ये चीजें. It can carry your question to a minister within seconds. It cannot make it a good question. ये आपको ही बनाना पड़ेगा. बेहतर क्वेश्चन आपको ही पूछना पड़ेगा. टेक्नोलॉजी हर चीज उपलब्ध कराएगी पर बनाना आपको करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज ह्यूमन माइंड विच विल प्ले द बिगेस्ट रोल. ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, ये सुविधाएं आज आपके पास है. अंत में मैं एक कोट पंडित जवाहरलाल जी का इसी अवसर पर कभी कहा गया कहते हुए अपनी बात खत्म करूंगा, जो हमें हमेशा सदन में रहते हुए याद रखना चाहिए. Parliament does set some kind of an example to the rest of the country. As we behave here to each other, towards our work, towards the general public, so to some extent others will behave elsewhere, whether in state legislatures or in many other organs of self-government, including panchayat. The panchayats, therefore, we should remember always that a million eyes, आज billion eyes आप ध्यान रखें इस million की जगह, billion eyes are upon us and we may not do something that brings the slightest discredit on parliament or set a wrong line before the people. यानी संसद देश के बाकी हिस्सों के लिए एक उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करती है. हम यहाँ एक दूसरे के साथ जैसा व्यवहार करते हैं, अपने काम के प्रति जितनी संजीदगी दिखाते हैं, आम जनता के बीच वही संदेश जाएगा जो हम सदन में करते हैं. वे उसी तरह का व्यवहार करेंगे, चाहे वो राज्य की विधानसभाएं हों या स्वशासन के दूसरे निकाय या मॉडल या पंचायतें जो देश के अलग अलग हिस्से में कार्यरत हैं. उनका व्यवहार उसी तरह होगा जो हम कहते हैं कि हम लोकतंत्र के सबसे बड़े मंदिर में बैठे हुए हैं, तो हमारा आचरण कितना संजीदा होना चाहिए. इसलिए हम सभी पर यह बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम पर देश भर से, तब पंडित जी ने कहा था लाखों निगाहें, मैं आज कहता हूँ करोड़ों बल्कि अरबों कहना चाहिए, अरबों निगाहें आपकी ओर टकटकी लगाए हैं. इसलिए हमें वैसा ही व्यवहार करना चाहिए जो देश के लिए एक मॉडल हो, प्रेरणा बढ़े, बल्कि गलत ट्रेंड सेट करने वाला न हो. आज इतनी सुविधाएं पार्लियामेंट में उपलब्ध हैं आपको इस श्रेष्ठ काम को करने के लिए. आपके आने वाले कार्यकाल के लिए मेरी बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और बधाई. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
ऑनरेबल डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपके प्रेरणादायी शब्दों ने इन 2 दिनों में हुए विचार विमर्श को एक व्यापक संसदीय दृष्टि प्रदान की है. आपने माननीय सदस्यों को महत्वपूर्ण संदेश दिया कि संसदीय प्रभावशीलता केवल बोलने की क्षमता से नहीं, बल्कि तैयारी, अध्ययन, प्रक्रिया की समझ, संवेदनशीलता और विभिन्न विचारों को सुनने की उदारता से विकसित होती है. May I now request Dr. K.S. Somashekar, Secretary Rajya Sabha Secretariat, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Honorable Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha, Honorable Members of Rajya Sabha, Secretary General Rajya Sabha, Joint Secretaries and Senior Officers of the Secretariat, representatives of the print and electronic media, and our own representatives of the Sunset TV. Namaskar and good evening. It's an honor for me to propose vote of thanks as we conclude this orientation program for the newly elected and nominated members of Rajya Sabha. These 2 days have been highly successful interactive and useful. At the very outset, I express my profound gratitude to the Honorable Vice President of India and Chairman Rajya Sabha. He graciously inaugurated this orientation program. In his keynote address, he described the constitutional role and duties of members with great clarity. His inspiring words have given our new members a valuable roadmap for their parliamentary journey. I convey heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha. Sir, you delivered the insightful welcome address. You also gave the concluding remarks and summary of the whole program. Your illuminating session on the parliamentary committee system was invaluable. It opened up one of Parliament's most effective instruments of scrutiny and accountability for our members. Your constant guidance and thoughtful inputs brought this two-day program to a fitting conclusion. I also thank Senior Minister who spared his valuable time for our members, Shri Bhupendra Yadav, Honorable Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. My sincere thanks also go to the honorable members who joined as speakers, Dr. John Britas, Dr. Sasmit Patra, Shri Gansham Tiwari ji, Shri Arun Singh, Shri Pramod Tiwari ji, Shri Sujit Kumar ji. They shared their valuable perspectives with our new members. We are grateful to each one of them. This vote of thanks would be incomplete without our newly elected and nominated members. You have been the heartbeat of this program. Your enthusiastic participation showed your keen desire to learn parliamentary practice and procedure. Your sharp interventions and incisive questions made every session lively and interesting. Thank you for your energy over these 2 days. Honorable members, before I proceed, allow me one practical word from the Secretariat. Your journey with Sampurna Digital Sansad has only just begun. Among all its services, let me point out to the one that will save you the most paperwork. Your claims can now travel from your phone straight to the Secretariat. Your travelling allowance and daily allowance claims, your medical claims, no forms to carry, no queries no queues to stand in, no files to chase. And if you ever face any difficulty with our claims or with any other digital service, please reach out to us. Our dedicated support cell and every officer of the Secretariat will remain at your service. Today and every day, we are thankful to the Secretary General Rajya Sabha, his astute and constant leadership, conceived and steered this orientation program. I place on record deep appreciation for the officers and staff of the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, all the allied agencies and everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Their professionalism and attention to detail ensured the seamless conduct of all proceedings. Needless to say, there are so many departments like interpretation, reporting, LAFIA, LADIS, editorial and translation, security and other services. I would like to place on record our sincere appreciation to the Capacity Building Division for meticulously conceptualizing, planning and organizing this orientation program. Their untiring efforts have resulted in comprehensive, engaging and meaningful learning experience for the newly elected and nominated members of Rajya Sabha. Our heartfelt thanks are also due to the Systems Division for making excellent logistical and technical arrangements throughout the program as a driving force behind the implementation of the Sampurna Digital System initiative, which is transforming the functioning of the Rajya Sabha Secretariat through cutting-edge digital solutions and paperless workflows. The division ensured the seamless execution of digital services during the orientation program. Their dedicated efforts greatly contributed to the smooth and overall success of this event. Our friends from print media, electronic media, including our very own professionals from Sunset TV, also deserve appreciation for their extensive coverage for this 2-day long program through their respective platform. On behalf of the Rajya Sabha Secretariat and on my own behalf, I thank you all once again for making this program a grand success. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच डॉक्टर के.एस. सोमशेखर जी। अब मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया राष्ट्रगीत और राष्ट्रगान के सम्मान में अपने स्थान पर खड़े हों।